any birds we can find. We got a barn owl. Been here for about 30 minutes and it finally just turned up on an open branch. Yeah, that's more quality. That surpasses the pictures I got last summer with finally got some good warblers coming in. Every section I go to, there's like a whole different soundtrack. Barred owl's back. Now, what would bring a barred owl back to the same spot 3 times while I'm standing here in the middle of the day? We got that whole south section to do next, so that's where I'm gonna head. And yesterday I got 67 species down there, so. Let's go birding. I love how they have all these convenient places to put a camera up. Because when I'm doing these videos here, I want the tripod for my main camera, so it's really nice to have some places that I could put this. And so far, surprisingly, it hasn't been an issue. I've found different branches and things that were in a convenient place too when you didn't have like posts like this around. I've been here for 7 hours. I'm hoping to try to find the barred owl's nest because he's been hanging around the same spot pretty much all day. So I have a very high suspicion that their nest is here somewhere. I'm not seeing him come back, so I'm not really sure what I'm waiting for at this point. I'm hoping that the bird activity comes up a little bit because we're at 70 species today. My record is 90. So it'd be kind of cool to break that. I know we haven't hit all the areas, but it's been kind of slow so far.